In front of me is INFINIX Hot for the eye, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. Now tap on one of your apps and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my app just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. Then, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!